Good morning, guys. This is Spencer Hunt's WIG, Wing in Ground Effect. But I think we have a scaling problem. That looks much smaller than I expected. It's tiny. Yes, I think I could have doubled the size of that. Oh well, we'll give it a try anyway. Well, this is another one of Spencer's beautiful bits of design work. Whether it works or not, I'm not that concerned. I just loved the shape of it when I saw it. With these folds in the wing and the tail. I've got that quite straight at the moment. I just think it looks beautiful. He put a weight on the nose before he actually flew it. I got a bit of stringing there to tidy up. So whether it works or not, I'm not that concerned. I just thought it looks the part. And I think I should have doubled the size when I printed it, because that's a bit small. Right, Spencer's WIG, Wing in Ground Effect. I'm not sure how far I got this morning when I was talking about it, but we've been out all day. I did briefly try it before we went out, and I don't think there's any way I can do a decent film of testing it because it's just so small. I'll try. I'll put it on the kitchen floor and give it a push, but it's so small I don't think you'll even be able to tell whether it's actually acting in ground effect or not. In ground effect, what it should be doing is trapping air underneath, which just lifts it up a little bit, so it actually is gliding on a cushion of air. A little bit like a hovercraft, but not, in that it generates the cushion by the fact it's moving forwards, whereas a hovercraft pushes air down with a fan of some sort. I have done a few videos of ground effect vehicles, so there'll be a link in the video description. And I'll give it a push, but I really don't think you'll be able to tell whether it's actually in ground effect or not. Because the other problem is, how on earth do I film it? What I was doing was I grabbed it there and gave it a push that way. I tried flicking it from behind, but pushing it that way seemed to work. I just, well, stop procrastinating, Grandad, and give it a go. No, that wasn't very effective. I pushed it sideways. Oh, too much lift that time. On Spencer's video, he's put quite a big weight on the front of it, but I think he's printed it larger anyway. No, that's not showing it. I did get one good run with it this morning, and then we had to go out. Nope. I suppose I could put the camera at the far end and try and fly towards it. I'll do that. That worked. Hitting it with a stick Oh, that went. Well, I think we got one good flight there. A couple of close ones. Technique I'm using, I have added a bit of nose weight to keep the nose down. And I'm arranging this so it hits it straight. And that's what I'm doing. I'm hitting it with a stick. And away it goes. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.